class, we will learn what are the parts of computer. Remember? So in this class, students, we are going to learn uses of computer. Okay. So as I said in my first class, that what can you do with the TV? What we can do, students? We can just listen to the music, watch cartoons and movies too. Okay, you can do all these things on a computer also. Okay, and more, on a computer, you can even play games, type, make drawings, and solve sums also. Okay, so see, monitor and computer and TV is similar in some ways, but computer is an advanced technology. Computer is an advanced technology. Because of computer, you can able to hear my voice. I am able to hear your voice. Okay, you are able to see me. I am able to see you. Okay, because of this computer only, we are connected with each other. Okay, so what on television we can do, students? Only we can do watching movies, cartoons, okay, and listening to music and news. That's it. But in computer, you can watch movies, cartoons, listen music, play games, type, make drawings, and solve problems. Okay. So playing games on a computer, like we can play games like cricket, racing, chess, baseball on the computer. Okay, students, see? Wait, yeah. So this is on monitor, we are playing cricket here. See, nowadays what happened is because of COVID, we are not allowed to go outside of the house. No? And no one can enter in our house too, like our friends, our cousins. Okay, everything is restricted. So what we can do? So in that time, you can play on the computer with your cousins, with your friends. You can do anything with them. You can chat, you can call them, you can play with them. Okay, all these things are possible because of a computer, Okay, so this is cricket, students, this is racing, this is chess, and this is baseball or basketball. Okay, so now let's move to next worksheet. Yeah, please students, don't write anything on the screen. Yeah, thank you. Just now I said don't write for those. Yeah. Now, typing. See, playing games is over. We can play how many types of games? We can play as many as games we want. Like if you want to play chess, you can play chess. If you want to play basketball, you can play basketball. If you want to play football, you can play football. Okay. So like that only. If you want to do typing, what we have to do? We use a keyboard. We use a keyboard to write on the computer. Okay, the keyboard has many keys. Okay, students, how many keys? Remember? Yeah, students, please don't write anything on the screen. It's a request. Yeah, these keys are pressed to write words and numbers. See, students, on a keyboard, we have numbers, alphabets, and punctuation marks also. Okay, like full stop, comma, exclamation mark, all those things are there. Okay, so because of that, we are able to type everything. Okay, we all have written on paper with a pencil, don't you? But look at Rishi, he's writing using the keyboard of the computer. This is called typing. See, if teachers gave some notes, means you have to write it in a notebook, no? You all will write, like teacher say, now write the spelling of fox. So you will write F-O-X, fox. But instead of that, if you write it on a computer, that is so easy, F-O-X, fox. You can write on a computer also. Okay, so see, this is Rishi. Rishi is typing something on the board. Okay. Now let's move to next worksheet. Now we can draw many things on a computer. We can draw our face, we can draw a pretty home, we can draw a Barbie, we can draw a Spider-Man. And what else we can draw? We can draw fruits, we can draw vegetables, everything we can draw on a monitor. Okay, now we will do this task later on. Okay, I will give you a chance to do this. Okay. Now let's move to next, solving sums. What else we can do, students? We can solve sums also. Like if I ask you, like 2 3s are how much? So you have to read two table, like 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Then you will get an idea that teacher 2 3s are 6. But if you write it on a computer, 2 into 3 is equals to, then you will get an answer like 6. Okay. So we use computer to solve sums also. Okay, a computer can also be used to solve sums. Aisha is adding numbers on the computer. Isn't it that the great way to do math? Don't you think, students? That Aisha is so smart that she's solving problems on a computer. Okay, now listening to music. See, when we feel bored, okay, so what we will do, we used to watch cartoons and everything, no? So we can listen music also. So we can also play songs and listens to music on a computer. Sam, Priya, Vibhor and Nina are having fun, aren't they? See how they are dancing by playing a music on a computer, and they are dancing here. Okay, now watching cartoons and movies. Chris and his friends are watching a cartoon film on a computer. Okay, you can, as I said, you can watch cartoons, movies, and everything on a computer. Okay, let's move to next slide. Yeah, at school, so like students, you have seen computer at two places. Okay, at school or at your home. Have you seen computer at your school? Yeah. So why we keep computers in school? You have any idea what is the use of computer at school? Yeah, so I will tell you, students. Have you seen computer in school? They are very useful for teachers. Like students, today I have to explain you about the uses of computer. Okay, so what I did is, first I make a PPT on the computer. I make all these things for you. Okay, so don't you think, is it helpful for me, or else I have to draw each and everything like teacher, student, girl, library? See, all these things I have to draw. So instead of that, what I did is I draw it on a computer. I draw it on a computer. So computers are useful for teaching, and computers are also used for preparing exam results. Okay, so like nowadays students, what is happening, you are getting your results on internet only, no? On your apps, school apps, on WhatsApp. Okay, there you are getting your results and everything. Okay, your mark list, everything. So computer are useful for preparing exam results also. Okay, now we came to know that why computer is important in school. Okay, and for students also, like if the computer classes are there, means student has to use the computer also. Okay, yeah, so now let's move to next slide. Now at home, students, at home, you can also use computer to make projects and doing homework. Okay, so what else I can do at home? At home, I can do my project work. Okay, like in yesterday, you means 2 days or day before yesterday, like you are getting worksheets, no? Every day you are getting worksheets for all the subjects. Okay, so like you are doing homework and you are submitting also your homework because of computer only. And if you're not getting anything, suppose if you don't know how to do addition, or if you don't know what is noun, so what you are doing is you are going and watching it on a YouTube channel. Okay, on the computer. Okay, so they are also used to send an emails. You know, students, what is email? Email is an electronic mail. Electronic mail is nothing but a letter. Okay, in early days, students, what happened is there is no computer, no? So what, how to people need to communicate with each other? They used to write letters. Like if I am in America, okay, and my parents in India, so I will write a letter that, Mummy, I am good, I am in America, I am having my lunch now, and I'm going to office. Everything I have to write and post it on a post office, and my parents will get that letter. Okay, and they will read that letter, and it will take a lot of time for that, because it needs to be transported from America to India. Okay, and it take a lot of time for that. But now what happened is, I'm just sending a simple message like, hi mom, I'm in fine, how are you, what are you doing, and just simply sending it. And then and there she's getting a message like, now my daughter is fine, she's having lunch and all these things. Okay, so they are also used to send emails. Emails are nothing but, students, letters. Okay, emails are nothing but letters. Repeat with me. Emails are nothing but letters. Okay, very good, students. Now let's move to next worksheet. Now, computer manners. Computer manners. Okay, so often you have to share a computer with your friend. Sharing is a good manner, you know. In school, students, what they have to do is only one, in a class of 20 students, there will be 6 or 7 computers. Okay, but the students are 20. So do you think if I alone use my computer, means what other students will do? So we have to share the computer. We have to share the computer, and you know, sharing is a good manner. And you share your computer and work together so that you can finish the work given to you by your teacher in time. Okay, so what are the things we should not do on a computer lab? In a computer lab, like we should not quarrel, we should not fight, okay, we should not eat, we should not drink water, okay, on a computer. Okay, and we should always be friend with our classmates. Okay, give them chance also. Okay, and discuss and do things. Okay, students, so don't drink, don't eat, don't quarrel and fight in the with computer. Okay, for computer along with your friends. Okay, so with that, students, our explanation is over. Now I have a worksheet for you, so everyone is ready. Now I will give you 1 minute, students, to take out your notebook. Take out your notebook, everyone. Yeah, ready? Very good. Ready with the pencil? Show me the pencil and notebook, students, in the air. Like this. Yeah, very good. Now you have to write this missing letter, students. Now you have to write the missing letters here. Okay, write the missing letters. The first one is, you have to identify, read and identify what it is. The first one is C dash dash. Only one dash, students. Okay. C dash M P U dash E R. So what it is, students? Computer. Very good. So come on, everyone. Let's write the spelling of computer. Okay. C O M P U T E R. Computer. Come on, write down, students. Don't write on my screen. Now, the next word. What is the next word, students? M dash dash S E. M dash dash S E. Mouse. Very good. So come on, let's write the spelling of mouse. M O U S E. Mouse. Done, everyone? Now, the next spelling is speak. Speaker. Speaker. So, can anyone tell me the spelling of speaker? Yeah, S-P-E-A-K-E-R. Speaker. S-P-E-A-K-E-R. Speaker. Yeah. Now, the next spelling. The next spelling is monitor. 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 And the last one, students. And the last one is W-B-C-A-M. Cam. Webcam. Very good. So we have to write E here. We have to write E here, students. Okay. Done, everyone? Yeah, thank you. Now, let's move to the next worksheet, students. Now, These little lady beetles are carrying some torn boards, okay, with words written on them. Can you make pairs of different things you can do on a computer? Let's match red beetle with blue beetles. Okay, so students, in this picture, you have to match red beetle with blue beetles. Okay, red beetle with blue beetles. Like first I will give you the example. Like, wait, just let me use a note. Type, see red beetle, and we have to match it with blue. Type music. No. Type some. Yeah, that will be also possible. Type email. Yeah, that is also possible. Type words. Yeah, that is the correct one. But we have to select the correct option. Okay, so type words, send emails, sum, solve, wait, solve, sums, listen, music, play, games. Okay, students, you just have to match. No need to write those things in the dashes given below. Okay, you just have to match it. Okay. Yeah, let's move to next worksheet. Yeah. Now students, fill in the blanks with the correct word. Okay. Now the first one is you can play dash on a computer. You can play dash. What we can play? We can play games. We can play games. So let's write games. This one games you have to write, students. Okay. Now this is the A dash. You can dash a letter on a computer. You can type. You can type. Very good. You can type. So where is type? Here it is. Okay. Now we can draw dash on a computer. What we can draw, students? We can draw pictures. We can draw pictures. Very good. So this is the C blank, students. We can draw pictures on a computer. Okay, we can solve dash on a computer. What we can solve, students? We can solve sums. We can solve sums. We can solve sums on a computer. Okay, now the last one is we can listen to dash on a computer. What I am going to listen? Music. What we can listen, students? We can listen music on a computer. Okay, so like this